Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Toyota RAV4 Platinum all-wheel drive. This one is a magnetic gray metallic black. Underneath the hood is a 2.5 cylinder pushing out 176 horsepower and 172 pounds of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. For wheels, we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. We've got front LED daytime running lights. A black leather interior, sunroof, coming around and back. We've got our RAV4 Platinum all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Alongside this one does come with a blind spot assist, power windows, memory seats, power seats, heated steering wheel. Up and in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera with sensors, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission. This RAV4 has 43,500 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to do more photos of this RAV4, check out feldmanimports.com.